Welcome, fellow adventurers, to the depths of the Amazon rainforest, a realm teeming with life and danger at every corner. Today, we delve into the intriguing world of the 5 most venomous creatures that call this majestic wilderness their home. Number 5. The lethal Brazilian wandering spider, known for its potent venom that can cause excruciating pain and even paralysis. Approach with caution, for this arachnid is not to be trifled with. Number 4. The deceptively beautiful poison dart frog. The deceptively beautiful poison dart frog, a tiny yet deadly amphibian that harbors toxins capable of stopping a predator in its tracks. Its vibrant colors serve as a warning to potential threats, nature's very own caution sign. Number 3. The fearsome green anaconda. The fearsome green anaconda, a behemoth of a serpent that strikes fear into the hearts of all who cross its path. Possessing a formidable combination of strength and lethal venom, this apex predator reigns supreme in the Amazon waters. Number 2. The enigmatic bullet ant. The enigmatic bullet ant, whose excruciating sting is likened to being shot by a bullet. This formidable insect boasts the title of the most painful insect sting in the world, a humbling reminder of nature's relentless power. Number 1. The infamous Fer-de-lance snake. The infamous Fer-de-lance snake, a stealthy predator armed with a potent venom that can induce swift paralysis and even death. Its reputation as one of the deadliest snakes in the world precedes it, establishing itself as a formidable force in the Amazon jungle. As we conclude our exploration of the 5 most venomous Amazon animals, remember to tread lightly and respect the untamed beauty of this remarkable ecosystem. Join me on this thrilling journey as we unravel the mysteries of the Amazon, one venomous creature at a time.
Thank you for embarking on this wild adventure with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awe-inspiring tales from the heart of the Amazon. Stay tuned, fellow explorers, for the next chapter in our daring expedition awaits.